Farts. Like really nasty farts. I just farted. Or maybe I just have to fart. Spot us.
I don't think. Did you fart? Oh. Yeah. Okay. Stop, please. Did you?
Is that weirdo that wants a burp still here?
Right when Jane comes for a week straight.
I have to tell you something.
Please stop me.
Equilibrium. I need to fart. Oh, sorry.
I gotta fart again, guys. I'm sorry. That was so loud. Fucking ah! Made me fart.
Serrucho. Oh my god, I have to fart. Hold on.
Kill him, dude.
It's just two people accusing one another. I can't.
Dude, vote Schmidt. This is the last game.
You got my vote.
Oh, I gotta. Did you guys hear that massive fart I just ripped?
Oh. Not sure. That was loud.
Stream is up.
I farted. I farted. Did you manifest it? Oh man. Yes.
Pablo Martí, ese es más español que...
Paolo, no seas pesado.
Abschluss. Oh, nee, mehr wird was wiegen, ey. Sag mir.
How many times? Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna go get some lunch.
Did you hear that? Please tell me you heard that.
Was that necessary?
Hostia, se ha cogido.
¡Cambiar el arma! ¡Oh, shit! En fin, un mazapán y lo que sigue.
You know, natural beauty.
Oh, yo, I need to fart again. Oh.
Just enough to keep me focused.
Oh, I gotta fart.
Yeah.
Oh. I farted. Yes, Don, they're fake. Here we go again. I'm sorry, that was gross. That came out.
Gente, é um pato. Vocês ouviram um pato? Tem um pato aqui em casa, ó.
That's what I mean. That's what I'm on about.
Oh, ci sta mia dita. So much to clean. Oh shit. Whoops. Oh, so. See? They come when they come.
I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more
dignified somehow.
Farted, guys. Just for you.
A ja sobie pierdłam. Mam nadzieję.
Ready? Did you hear it? Did you freaking hear it? The Siak. Oh shit, you didn't hear it. You didn't hear it. The Siak.
Turret out.
Wait, have I ever farted on stream? I have to fart right now.
Fuck you. How are you? I love you, Candy. I miss you so much. Can't wait.
Chloe just farted.
It was a
Here comes the fart.
I have to fart, guys. Hold on.
Easy, Brokeback Mountain. You mean she's sleeping on my couch?
I have to fart.
Do it. You won't. No balls. I mean.
Hold on, wait. Oh!
Ay, perdón.
¿Por qué te levantaste, oh?
Porque tenía que liberarlo, es que me estoy mal de la guatita.